Hello everyone. So in today's session I will discuss about C++ variables, constants and its data types. So in a previous discussion I have explained how you can install and set up your Visual Studio Code for C++, and also we have seen how we can print Hello World program. So continuing with that introduction, today's session I will discuss C++ variable, constant and data types. So let us start with the discussion about a C++ variable. So C++ variable, as an example, int age equals to 34. Now this is an example of C++ variable where int is a data type. It's a data type, and here age is a variable name. This is a variable name. Okay, so the variable is a container which is used to hold some value. Here variable name age, which is used to hold a value 34. There are some rules while writing a variable name which we should keep it in our mind. The rule is that the variable name can include alphabets. It can also include numbers, and it can also include a underscore. This is the first rule. Second rule, a variable name cannot include a keyword. An example, I can't write int as a variable name because it is a keyword. Next a rule is that it is preferred to write a variable name as a smaller case rather than writing a capital letter. Next rule is that this variable name cannot begin with numbers. That is, example, I can't write variable name as 1a, or I can't write it as 5b. Okay, I can't write variable name as 1a, 5b, etc. It should start with either underscore or it should start with the alphabets. So next rule, it can start with underscore, but it is not preferred. So underscore is not preferred. So these are some of the rules you should follow while writing variable name. Next is a constant. So in a C++, variable or values of variable, it can be changed during the program execution. Whereas we can create a variable whose value cannot be changed. For that, so we use a const keyword. Okay, example, const is a predefined word, int, which is a data type, say pi, and value 3.14, means that pi is an integer and it's a constant, and its value is 3.14, and it is constant. Its value will not change during the program execution. This is about constant and variable. Next is data types. So there are different data types in C++. The fundamental data types in C++ are integer, float, double, character, boolean, and void. So these are the fundamental data types in C++. So we'll see each one of these. Now the int keyword is used to indicate integer values. Okay, it is used to indicate integer values, and int is a keyword for int data types. The size of this keyword is 4 bytes. Example is that I can write int salary equals to 5000. Next is float. A float data type is used to indicate float values with decimals and exponentials. And the size of this data type is of 4 bytes. And example say float. Float is a keyword which is used to indicate a float data types. Float height, say 5.5 is an example for float. Next data type is a double. Double is also to indicate a float values with the decimals and exponential, but the size of this double is 8 bytes. There's 8 bytes. An example is double, which is the keyword distance, say 134.65466565. Next data type is a character. This type of data type which is used to indicate single character, and the keyword used is char. Char is a keyword which is used to indicate a character data types, and size of this character data type is 1 byte. An example, char test within single quote h. So here character data type is indicated or written inside a single quote. Next data type is a boolean. Boolean data type has one of two values. So boolean data type has one of two values, either true or false. Example, true or false. As an example, bool is a keyword, condition false. Next is a void. Void is nothing but nothing or there is no value or no value. So these are the different data types present in C++. So in today's session we saw C++ variable, what are the rules while writing a C++ variables, and what is constant, how we can declare a constant, and different data types in C++, and some of the example related to the data type.